National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Boone County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Grenville County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, northeastern Lee County in north-central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeast Illinois, Ogle County in north-central Illinois, southern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Polo to 7 miles south of Ashton to Mendota to Henry, and moving east-northeast at 70 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, wind are indicated. Impact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Byron and Stoneman Valley around 4:55 p.m. Rockford Airport in Waterman around 5 o'clock p.m. Serena around 5:05 p.m. Shore Valley in Sycamore around 5:10 p.m. Yorkville around 5:15 p.m. Oswego and North Aurora around 5:20 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Lee, Davis Junction, Preston, New Milford, Wellington, Lisbon, Boulder Hill, Burlington, Union and Pingree Grove. Interstate 90 between mile markers 28 and 75. Interstate 88 between mile markers 79 and 117. Interstate 80 between mile markers 79 and 95. Interstate 39 between mile markers 56 and 123. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Intense squall lines can sometimes produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.